In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can format any drive to a FAT32. Before we dive into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tech tips just like this. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now there is a few methods to go over. So the first one is going to be through File Explorer. To do this one, open up File Explorer and go down until you see the This PC option and select it. And right click on whatever drive you'd like to format. In my case, we're going to do this Windows drive right here. So I'm going to right click on this and then find the format button here, select it. And then because this is a higher volume drive, we would have to move on to method 2. But in the pop-up window that would normally appear, go to File System and then select FAT32 and then hit Start and your drive's going to be formatted. Just keep in mind, if your drive is larger than 32 gigabytes, FAT32 might not appear as an option, which is exactly what's happening for me right here because this is 441 gigabytes, which is where we're going to go ahead and do the second method. For the second method, you're going to want to open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and search for rufus.ie, just like so, and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to want to scroll down on this page just a little bit until you see the latest releases option and select this Rufus 4.9.exe. Now, obviously, if there's a newer version, go ahead and download this one. But as of right now, this is the latest version, so we're going to get this. Once it downloads, it's going to automatically start. Click on the .exe file, hit yes, and then hit yes again. And now you're going to have the option to format higher drives. So in this device dropdown, go ahead and just select whatever device you want to go ahead and format. If it doesn't show up like it is for me, you're going to want to go ahead and actually go to this advanced format option down here, select it, and tick these boxes just to make sure they're enabled. For the rest of this though, go ahead and navigate back up to boot selection and choose non-bootable just like so. And then under the format options, go ahead and choose for the file system to large FAT32 and you'll be good to go. Just hit start at the very bottom after hitting ready. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.